What's the deal, pickles? It's your boy BCBG, and we are back with some more product stuff, small line stuff, the stuff that I use, the stuff that is blue collar buy guy savvy to me. Now, I say about a year ago, I did a video that got such a good response. People are still connecting with me about these things. People have even upgraded past what I had. So, without further ado, I upgraded. I'm upgraded now. So, we're going to do Pocket Juice 2 review, baby. I'm so excited about this one. It's a big, look at that. Look at that. It's bigger. It's better. There's a few things missing from it, but there's a few things added. Okay? So, I didn't get the colored one. Like before, I got the Blue Devil blue, of course. I'm a Blue Devil, I'm a Dookie for life. Got black this time. Now, when I got this, we were headed out for a trip. We were headed up to the zoo. We were headed, out of town. We're on a quick vacation. Needed something. Actually, no. This was purchased for another trip. Now, this was tested. I didn't test this. I let somebody else test this. I let a non-believer test this. Much to my surprise, they really, really enjoyed it. My co-pilot, she took it with her. She enjoyed it. So, she told me so many good things about this thing, I had to test it myself. So when I tested it, that's when we took the trip to the zoo. It was a wonderful trip to the zoo. If you haven't been to the Indianapolis Zoo, check it out. It's wonderful. We had an amazing time there. Now, while we were staying over at the hotel, I said, you know what? I'm going to put this thing to the test. So, I have the Samsung, it's the Edge 8 Plus. Okay. 8 Plus. One of them. I got a big phone. It's the Edge. Okay. So I charged it. I charged my phone with the Pocket Juice. Charged it right up. Said, man, let's take it even further. Co-pilot. She got the iPhone. Not the 10. I think she got the 7. And one of them numbers. iPhone. The last one before the 10. Charged both of them on this Pocket Juice. Charged both phones. I was simply amazed. Said I'm gonna take it the next step further. I hooked this up to my laptop. It didn't charge it, but my laptop was fully functional while I was using it. Also had my phone plugged into this at the same time, and nothing shook. I don't know about y'all. Pocket Juice is the best thing on the planet. This isn't the biggest one that they have. This is like the next step up. I think a couple of steps up from the one I had before. This is the 8,000 milliamp battery charger input, 5 volt 2A output. That's input, and then it's the 5 volt 3.4A max output. Now, it still has your battery indication light, but it does not have the flashlight. So that's the one thing that you're going to lose from the upgrade Pocket Juice that you had on the downgrade Pocket Juice, but you get so much more power. Now, last video, I had one child with a cell phone, okay? Now I have 3. The only one that's next to get a cell phone is my son, my youngest. All 3 girls got cell phones. All 3 girls are always constantly carrying around chargers. Guess what? All 3 girls now have Pocket Juice in their purses. Tell me your phone did now. Go ahead. Say your phone did. I wish you would. Tell me your phone did. And I try to call you after paying that phone bill, and I don't get no answer. I wish you would tell me your phone did. Man, y'all know what I'm talking about. Put the foot all in the behind. Put the foot all up in the behind for wasting my time. I just busted a rhyme. Oh my God. Before I go, is my audio robust? So many things have changed technology-wise since the last time you were here watching this Pocket Juice. We're in the new office. We got so many more gadgets to go through, but Pocket Juice, that's my main man. I keep it in my pocket. Hence the name Pocket Juice. Yes. So, if you're looking for a portable battery charger, Pocket Juice, man, this was $20, and it also came with the charger plugs, micro USB. You gotta have some of these new phones are USB-C. Of course, you gotta have your own cords for that. I just went on Amazon and bought a bunch of them for USB-C. But it charges everything: tablets, laptops, phones, multiple uses, multiple charges. You can charge multiple devices at one time. It kind of takes a while for it to get fully charged, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. But once you're there, we used this 3 days before it was completely. I still think that one bar is from when we used it. That was 2 or 3 months ago. Stop wasting your time going on there getting the big name brands. Pocket Juice is a big name brand in my house. I stand by it. Pocket Juice. Get you some. Get you some of this, man. You're missing out. For a very cheap price, you're getting such a great, and the quality, it's got like the material on it. This one got like glitter and stuff all over. I got kids, but it's like got a very durable material. It feels good, man. You're getting 2 USB ports. 2 USB ports on either side of the indicator light. Come on now. There it is. There's where you plug in your micro USB to charge it. Upon charging, all 4 lights will be full, letting you know that your Pocket Juice is completed, and then you off. Put it in your backpack, put it in your pocket, put it in your purse, put it in your hoodie pouch, put it in your cargo pocket on your sweats, put it in your zipper on your coat. Keep one in the car. Everybody ain't got a new car with the cigarette lighters or whatever. Put it in your console. Charge your phone. Buy multiple of these. Pocket Juice, holla at your boy. I support your product, man. I love it. $20. Go get yourself Pocket Juice. Get yourself a peace of mind. Keep yourself from putting your foot in your child's behind. That's the moniker here at Blue Collar By Guy Studios. Pocket Juice number 2. Blue Collar By Guy Savvy. Stand by it. Go get you one. Signing off. Blue Collar By Guy here. Have fun while you're shopping. Let's shop together. Be blessed. Tell me your phone dead now. Go ahead. Say your phone dead. I wish you would. Tell me your phone dead. And I try to call you after paying that phone bill and I don't get no answer. I wish you would tell me your phone dead. Man, y'all know what I'm talking about.